Installing the Pinterest Save button on your Google Chrome browser. If you have Google Chrome, great, you can follow this. If you don't, please install Google Chrome right now, pause the video and come back after you have the software installed. It's very easy. You go to Google and search for Google Chrome and complete the installation. Here we have the extension. The direct link to this page is on the resources area of this video. So you can download the PDF and you have the links there. And in this page, you can install for free. This is a free extension for your Google Chrome browser. You can see here on the images, the extension is here on the top right-hand side. All you need to do is when you are visiting websites, you click there and you will be able to see all the options to create pins and save that to your Pinterest account or to your Pinterest board. You can save it to your secret board or to any other board that you have already on your profile. I'll show you how to do that right now in this video. So go to this specific URL that you will find on the resources area. And at the top here, you will have a blue button. Now mine is green because I already installed it, but you will have the option to add to Chrome. So you click that, say yes on the prompt, and you will have this icon here on the top right hand side. You can see it here on my browser. So how do we use this? If we go, for example, to diegodavila.com and we want to pin one of these images, all we need to do is put the mouse on the top of the image, and we see here at the top of the image the save option. So you can click on that and save, or you can click on the extension here at the top, and Pinterest will show you all the options that you have to pin here. So let's say I want to pin this one, the YouTube one, save. It will ask me where to place, in which container I want, in which board I want to place this pin. So for now, because I don't have anything special, I will place this on the secret board, save. That's it, success. And now I'm ready to move forward. So when you are browsing the internet, you are finding great stuff for your audience. You can always create pins and save these pins to your account. For example, here on the New York Times website, let's click on the Pinterest extension here. And the extension is showing us all the options we have now to pin to my account. So I click on save, I choose the board, and click on save. Later, I can share that with my audience on Pinterest. Last option, last demonstration for you is the Pexels.com website. So if I click on Pinterest extension here, I see all the options I have for this specific one. So let's save this one on my secret board. And that's it, it's safe. So later I can go there and organize all these, move this to any other boxes, any other boards that I have, that I already published, that are not secret boards. So my audience can see that, they can get inspired and start following me on social media. Okay, I hope you install this, and after that we are ready to continue with the course.